Hey guys, I'm Alexandros, with me is Andrea, and now we're going to do a small intermediate move. Let's go into a basic. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do a crossbody lead from the left. 1, 2, keep the left hand down, right hand up onto her neck. Go back 1, 2, 3, and open like a pencil, and roll the lady back on 6 and 7. Now crossbody lead to a half a turn, grab her back, 1, 2, 3, pull the lady into a neck roll. Now here's a little detail. When the lady goes back, we go back with our right, so we can jump in front of the lady, down, 6, and fast on 7. Under 1, 2, 3, grab the elbow, lead the body weight, and cross body lead. Let's go to music.